Hello everyone. Welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is Rakesh Khanna from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on crude oil. NYMEX crude oil price resumed its positive trading clearly now to surpass $76 barrier and reinforce the expectation of continuing the bullish trend in upcoming sessions. And the way is open to achieve our main target of $80, noting that reaching this level will extend the bullish wave to reach $85 on the near-term basis. MCX crude oil price settled above 6,300 level to keep the bullish trend scenario valid and active for the upcoming period, supported by 20-day exponential moving average, waiting to head towards 6,600 and 6,800 level in upcoming trading session. On the other hand, key support hold at 6150 level and break below will act as a trend reversal. The price indicator is bullish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.